In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can make Google Chrome your default browser on Windows 11 operating system. Chrome's frequent updates and advanced security features help protect you from online threats, making it a strong choice for your primary browser. To do this, simply click on your Windows icon to head to Settings. On the Settings page, select onto this option of Apps. You will then head to Default Apps. In this section, navigate onto the Google Chrome option. As you can see, Microsoft Edge has been my default browser. To enable Google Chrome as the default browser, just tap right here on Set Default. The Chrome browser will get set as my newly default browser on my Windows 11 device. This robust syncing capabilities ensure that your bookmarks, history, passwords, and settings are accessible across all your devices, providing a seamless and personalized experience. That's how easy it is to set Chrome as default browser on Windows 11. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.